If I see one more goal that says the child will make eye contact, I'm going to scream. Eye contact is something we go crazy over. Kids can hear you, their ears are here. Doesn't mean you shouldn't have the conversation with them saying, hey, try to be a little more attentive to the person speaking to you. But to force someone to make eye contact is culturally, if you're autistic, you're spending all of your time making eye contact and you're not hearing anything that's coming at you. So think of all the factors that come with forced eye contact. You can't do an eyeball restraint. You can't enforce it, all right? So don't get yourself all upset about it. When I'm having a conversation with a kid that's difficult, they're never going to look at me. They're always going to look the other way. I expect that. I expect that. Because I want them to hear me. I don't want them to be so uncomfortable with the eye contact they don't hear what I'm saying. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.